What's up, you all? Welcome back to my channel. It's red palm oil soup. Yes, let me take you through the ingredients. So I'm having some fish, crab, garden eggs, eggplant, red pepper, rosemary, basils, garlic, onions, spring onions, and yes, my mortar and pencil. It's going to be playing the magic. And hunger Maggi. I'll be using 2 hunger, but you can use whatever Maggi you like or you have. Some salt and my palm oil. So this palm oil is one of the best palm oil in Germany. Trust me, I cook it. This is the only palm oil I can cook. My fish is seasoned with jumbo fish stock. I'll be using just 1 teaspoon of it and a half teaspoon of salt to give it some seasoning. Then I will also apply the same process to the crab. This time I will just use half teaspoon of the fish stock Maggi, then half teaspoon of salt. My chopped vegetables, which includes tomatoes, onions, spring onions, garlic, and red pepper. So I'll be pounding it for it to have the gravy form. You can also put it in a mixer if you want, but I prefer pounding it. So for this soup, we have to put everything inside the pot before we start cooking. So first I'll add my eggplant. It's already chopped and washed. In the pot for it, the eggplant is going to be the basement of the soup. And the others will follow. Just keep watching. I'm also adding half teaspoon of salt and my 2 hunger Maggi. For the palm oil, I'll be adding 400 milliliter palm oil into my soup. After adding all my ingredients into the pots, so I'll be cooking it slow cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is how it will be looking. You have to be careful when mixing it, when stirring it. I always say mix. Anyway, when stirring it, because you don't want to lose the form of your fish. Last, I'll be adding my rosemary and my basils into the soup. So this is going to give it the aroma. So if you are downstairs, you'll be smelling it. This soup traditionally it's served with rice, and the rice have to be with either okra or crane. But I have okra with me, so the okra is has already cooked with the rice together, so it's already soft. So you just give it some squeeze or grind, then you mix it with the rice. And when it's with crane, it's called Czech rice. I don't even know the name of crane in English. If you know, please comment it on the comment section so I can learn. So I'll be mixing I'm mixing the rice and the okra together. I'll be going with this one. I don't know if you can see. Yes, but you can see. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please join the family. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Okay, yes, I'm still having my twist. If you haven't checked out the video is there, so check it out. Yeah, I wish you all the best trying it. Bye bye.